Come on down. Come on, let's go see if Santa came. Morning, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
There's
Okay, let
Gaby
it go,
Bob.
Molly. Go fast.
Go. Oh, face plant.
Are you stopping?
Come on, buddy. You've been shy.
Hi.
Hi. Come on, let's go see.
Hey, you better check the cookie plate.
I think you moved that before it took, Mom.
Molly, did Santa come?
Oh my gosh, you ate the cookies.
Look at all these presents anyway. Oh my God.
Clay, what do you think? Molly, go look under the tree.
Molly, you got something.
Look, Moms, this is for you. This is your own little stool.
Oh my goodness, how cute is that?
Molly, you also get this.
Want to sit on it?
Oh yeah. That was for shoes, honey.
This is perfect. Video.
Yeah. Molly, do you love your stool?
Look what I got.
Clay, what?
Lightning McQueen.
Oh my goodness.
Hope Bobby got something.
You know what? We forgot to do that.
Yeah.
We get her a special. Stops. Cool it.
She get you? Look, Mommy. It's like a puzzle.
Lightning is up and away.
Hi, Sabi. Merry Christmas, Bob. Hello. Hi, Sabi.
Yeah. So we're gonna have to do that.
Well, should we open up, see if we put anything in our stockings?
Yeah. Cool.
Find your stocking.
Oh, no stocking.
How are we going to know?
Well,